G'day and welcome back. This is probably the last video I'm going to do in relation to this particular setup. So today we're running at 7.5 volts. Got it set at 8 and 90 milliamps, and I'll just explain what we're running here. I'm running two rails. So the first rail is from our earth here, and the second one is from our earth here. And so this earth one going through that 1 amp LED. So that's a 30 volt, I think it's 300 milliamps light. And that's going in series with that one, and then that's coming around here to this bulb, and that's lighting up also this set of 12 UV lights, which has its own little transistor, and that's going to this rail here of the of that spare coil, of the third coil that I've got on this Bedini motor. So that's one rail. The other rail I have is, where is it? This one. And so that's going to, no, not that one, this one, the yellow one. So that's the other side of it. That's going to this LED. Then it's coming back around to this, once again, 1 amp LED light, and then through this LED here. And then that's going to over here, attached to our ground here. Okay, so they're the two. Now, probably what you want to check out is this. Okay, so this LED is running series, running parallel with this one. So what I'm going to do is touch it. You can see the way it goes, and you can see the other one, not much difference in power, a little bit bugger all. But watch what happens to the power consumption. Okay, so I'm going to push it on now. On, off, on, off. So it makes absolutely no difference to the power consumption, which is pretty amazing. Probably the only other thing I'm going to demonstrate today is I'm just going to dead short this coil with one of these LEDs, and man, it's really, really bright. It's amazing that we can get that much out of such a small input, as you'll see. Normally these bulbs won't light up without, I think it's 10 volts or something like that. Anyway, something like that, or 12 volts, but it's because of the utilizing the back EMF through the coil and also grounding it that's enabling us to do that. So what I'll do is I'll just pause it and I'll show you. Okay, so I've disconnected it. As you can see, the other two in series are running off that leg. Everything else is running as per normal. We're showing 7.3 volts at 90 milliamps. Now I'm just going to dead short the coil, and this is quite bright and hot. Oops. There we go. That's so bright. As you can see, everything else is turned off bar those little LEDs. They're still on, which is weird, except for that one, which is weirder. But yes, that's really significantly bright and hot. So yeah, and now take it off, everything else goes back on, of course. Okay, so I managed to stabilize that, and now we've got 7.3 volts at 90 milliamps, and that's really cranking that light out. I mean, really bright. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got to show you, really. So yeah, thanks for watching. Oops, a bit of a hernie there. Thanks for watching, and yeah, finally, I forgot to mention this in closing. This is just running the Bedini Schoolgirl circuit, and I thought I'd just show you what it's consuming. 6.88 volts at 90 milliamps. Thanks for watching.